Hi guys, welcome, and this is money payout, and you are aware we are here to make money online. So if you're new here, can you subscribe because I drop videos always, guys. This will be a very brief video. So this video is about how to make money by simply uploading videos or pictures that you even didn't create, guys, to a site, and you'll be paid per the pictures you place there. Now you don't need any skill, right, to make money from that site. You don't need any skill to design, because I'll show you how to design the logos or the pictures for free, and you'll be putting those videos there, and you are going to make your money. So without wasting time, guys, let us begin. So the site is called Adobe Express, guys. This is the site called Adobe Express. Now the Adobe Express is a site that allows you to create free logos and photos with no graphic editing skills. So don't worry if you are here watching this video and you have no editing skills. Don't worry, this site is going to help you out, because this site is having so many templates that you can pick from, and you can work on your picture for free without paying a dime for it. So the name is Adobe Express, guys. Adobe Express. Now, so I want to demonstrate so you see how it works. But before that, when the site opens, guys, do well to register. Now when you register, you can register with your Gmail account, or you can create a new account and you start your project. Now when you sign in, this is what you meet, guys. So the pictures with a crown on them, they are for the premium one day, so you have to pay for them to start with. But if you want to go for free, go for the ones without the crown there, and they are free to be used. So for example, let me work on this picture. Now you can say create from this template, so you can easily work, you can edit the entire picture or template to suit your own needs, right? So guys, now when I click on this, as I'm missing it has been highlighted. I can just edit this and it will be applied to it so easily, guys. Have you all seen it? So here, this site will make you create that free logo, right? Download the logo and upload it on the site, and you'll be paid, guys. You'll be paid for doing just nothing. So guys, the site is called designcrowd.com. Now designcrowd.com is the number one custom design marketplace, where they post logos, business cards, web designs, flyers, and so many artworks. Then it is sold for others. So ours is, we are going to import the amazing photos all of us made from here, and we shall put them on this site, and you will be paid for free without doing any hard work. So yours is just keep on designing at Adobe Cloud Express, then you just keep on putting them here and expect to be paid days to come, guys. Days to come. So before you can be part or be a freelancer on the site, you have to click on the register button, and then you have to fill in this simple form and click on I am a designer. Now when you do so, the idea is to upload this nice pictures on the site, and you're going to make your money, guys. So this is how it works, guys. You just need to sign up for free, right? Then you have to launch your project, and when you are done, right, and you sign in into your account, on your left hand side you see the payout there. The payout, just key in your personal information and your PayPal account or the payment of your choice, and you'll be paid, guys. You'll be paid. So guys, this is the end of our video. Kindly try it out and post your comment beneath, and I'll answer every question, guys. So thank you very much, and have a lovely and nice day. Bye bye.